Hello, my name is Egosun. What is your name? My name is Seda. How are you today? I'm fine, thanks. Where are you from? I'm from England. What nationality are you? I'm Turkish. Do you can fishing? Yes, I can. Ok, let's go fishing. Excuse me, where is the watchtower? It is opposite the enemy.